Hello and welcome back to VCode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again we are back with another topic in Python programming. So today's topic is going to be on indexing. Okay, so basically indexing represents the position of a particular value. So I'll be explaining this topic through an example or today's problem. So without any further delay, let's jump into our question. Okay, so today's question is this list which is equals to some of the laptop companies, that is Dell, whose those are strings, and Mac and Lenovo and next HP, okay, HP, and then pieces, and last one is Acer. Okay, so basically this is our list and I just want the value of this list, and the value from I want the value from 0 position to 5th position. Okay, so this is the code. I'll be just running the code, you just watch the output, and I'll be explaining the concept and this code. Okay, see, we got the value until HP starting from Dell. Okay, so basically what is indexing is, I'll explain you. See, for example, take this word vcode. Okay, so basically what is indexing means, indexing will be representing the position of a particular value. So for let us take a value of v will be starting from 0 and then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and so on up to n integers. Okay, and -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay, so basically from left to right, your indexing value will be starting from 0 and so on up to n integers. But when it comes from right to left, your value will be starting from -1 and -5. Okay, for your more clarification, the value present at 0th position is V, and value present at 1st position is C, and value present at 4th position is E. So that's the meaning of the indexing. Okay, and for example, if you want to print a value like just decrease the font size, just a second. See, let us assign a variable for this name. Okay, so print name whose index value is 0. Okay, if I assign that in the 0th position of a word, print 0th position of a word present in the name variable. That means what is the value present at 0th position. Just a second. See, what is the value present at 0th position? It is V, right? So our output will be V, or instead of 0, if I keep -5, what is the value present at -5 position? It is V, right? So our output will be V. Or instead of -5, if I keep the P, or else -2, your output would be D, because the value present at 3rd position is D, and moreover value present at -2 is D, so your output will be D. So basically indexing means the value representation. It will be representing the value present at a particular position. Okay, I hope you understand this logic, and let's jump into our code once again. So watch it carefully. I'll be assigning its indexing values here. Just a second. See, this value of Dell is 1. Sorry, it's 0, because indexing value will be starting from 0, right, from left to right. So its value is 1, its value is 2, its value is 3, it's 4, it's 5, and it's 6. Okay, so I have given command that need the values present from 0 to 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. but in output we got result until here itself, and that's because Python will understand that this guy has given a command to uh, find the print the value from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so general Python will understand in this format. Okay, so at the last what we have given it is 5, right? So just substitute 5 in place of 5. What will be the answer? It will be 4, right? So what is the value present at 4? It's HP, right? It will be printing until HP. Okay, so basically this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Okay, 0 will be starting. If instead of 0 if I keep 2, value will be starting from Lenovo. See, I'll be running the code. See, because as I given 2, output will be starting from here, and 5 5 means n minus 1, that is 4, so that means it will be ending at HP. Okay, I'll be running this again. Sorry, 0. Yeah, I'll run this again. See, so instead of 5 if you give 2, your output will be from 0 and 1, that means del and max, that itself. And instead of 5 if you instead of 5 I'll give 6. Okay, so generally until where your output will be gonna execute, that means here it is n, right? That means I have given 6, so 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, so what is the value present at 5? It is aces, right? So your output will be generating the values from 0, that is del, to n minus 1, that is 5, that means aces. So output will be coming from del to aces. See, okay, so this is the logic. As in our question we have given until 5, that means it will be taking as 5 minus 1, that is 4. So your value present at 4 is HP, so it will be printing an output from del to HP. Okay, see, so this is the logic behind this, guys. Generally in Python the last element is considered to be n minus 1. Okay, if you want to print value until 3, you should give the value as 4 here. Okay, so that Python will be understanding this guy need a value from 0 to 3. Okay, so that's the logic behind this, and hopefully you got a good concept here. And thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in another video.